In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can remove a campaign confidently and avoid common mistakes. First, open your web browser and search for Google Ads. You're looking for the official site, which typically appears at the top of the results. Click the correct link to go to the Google Ads homepage. If you're ever unsure, the official site will clearly reference Google Ads and prompt you to sign in. Next, click Sign In and log into your Google account that's associated with your ads. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the right one before continuing. Taking a moment to confirm the correct account can save you from removing the wrong campaign. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click the campaign's icon. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see the labels more clearly. This is the main hub where all your campaigns live. At the top of the screen, click the Campaigns drop-down. From the options, select Campaigns again to display your full list. This ensures you're viewing every campaign in the account, not just a filtered subset. If your list is long, you can scan by name or sort the table to locate the specific campaign you want to remove. Now, in the campaign table, check the box next to the campaign or campaigns you want to delete. The checkbox appears in the first column of the table. You can select one or multiple campaigns at once if you're cleaning up several items. After selecting, look for the Edit drop-down menu that appears above the table. Click Edit, then choose Remove. This is Google Ads' term for deleting a campaign. When you choose Remove, the campaign will no longer serve ads or spend budget. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Read the prompt carefully, then click Confirm to permanently stop the campaign. Keep in mind, removed campaigns can't be re-enabled. The good news is that your historical performance data remains available for reporting, so you can still review past results even after removal. That's it. Your campaign is now removed. If you want peace of mind, you can glance at the status column to see that it reflects the change. As a tip, if you're unsure about permanent removal, consider pausing a campaign instead in the future. Pausing stops delivery without deleting, but when you're certain, removal keeps your account tidy and focused. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.